All right, this is going to be the hotel tour here at the One Hotels, Guadalajara Expo in Guadalajara, Mexico. Here's the hotel exterior, and we're gonna do a hotel tour of this place. Right down there's the parking garage. There's K Grill. Just gonna have to point the camera away so I won't point anybody. And here's the hotel main entrance here. And to go in here, I should be authorized. So, and here are the Mitsubishi elevators. And look at this. I like those. So we're just gonna have to wait for this elevator to go. All right. So you know what these are, right? They're Mitsubishi. So we'll get this one. There's the hand sanitizer right there. Here is the EST Genesis fire alarm. And right there's the pull station. This one's here, I guess. Yeah, it should be here. Yep, here it is. Here are the protocols here, pause if you want to read. And let's go up to lobby. And can't go to the 7th floor. We're going down. Someone is calling it. Voy a subir. Cancel my call.
Aquí no caben 8 personas.
Somos los 4.
Somos 4 y ya vamos con sana distancia. Sí, sana distancia. Está llenísimo.
Voy al lobby.
¿Y qué pasa? Ahí se activa.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to pause it here because I gotta make a call. Sorry everyone, I was in a call, but here I called the elevator to go to the lobby. And here back at the PB. Right there are the smoke detectors. And there's our good friend, Mr. Security. It passed PB. Hopefully I think we're gonna get this one here. And here it is. Just gonna have to point the camera down. Voy a subir. Okay. Alright, here's your view of the lobby. And right here's the breakfast area, which is closed right now. See? Right there's the juice dispenser. There's the microwave right there, and that's where you get your coffee. And over there's the front desk, which I'm not gonna get them on picture. And here is the LG TV. Here's where you get your ice, but you have to get it from the front desk because I think of these times we're living in right now. Here's where you sit, and here's where you get your Wi-Fi, and here's the meeting room, which only allows 4 people. And right there's the thermostat. And just get your view outside. It's a nice day here in Guadalajara. It's a cloudy day, I could call it. And don't you guys like this view outside? I do like it too. And I don't know what this area is, but there are snacks there, which you'll have to pay. I think a snack market, I don't know. That's where you get your drink. And here is another LG hanging up TV. Right there's the fire alarm and EST Genesis, and here are the public restrooms. Let's go check out the room now. The moment you all been waiting for. And we got an elevator here. Let's just insert the key card, and let's go up to 4, where my room is. Really like this Mitsubishi elevator. Here are the fixtures, and I can go up to 4 only because the other 4s are locked because of I don't know. All right. Anyways, there it goes. But before we check out the room, let's look something here. Here's the pull station, and right there's your EST Genesis fire alarm. And right there's the thermostat, and right here's the emergency exit. And I really like this awesome view out here. Look, an outdoor MPE. Right there's the Hampton Inn by Hilton. I really like this view a lot. Look at this. Alright, anyways, let's go check out the room now. I am in room 415. Right over there's another emergency exit. And here's my room 415. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. All right, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the One Hotels, Guadalajara Expo in Guadalajara, Mexico. We're here in room 415, which is right next to these elevators here. And here's the view of the hallway. So let's check out the room now. And here's the key card. All right, if you come in here, you have a nice room. Turn on the light. And here you have your 2 beds here, which I like. And right there's the phone. And here are the 2 beautiful lamps. That one does not work. And right there is the fire sprinkler. And there's that picture right here on the wall. There's the thermostat. And here we have the LG TV hanging up on the wall. And right there's the remote. And here's the workstation. And let's get a view out here. Sorry. If you look out here, this is your view of Guadalajara. And I like this view a lot. Right there is Soriana. It's a rainy day. Yeah, it's a rainy day. I like the view a lot. I don't know where the rainbow is. So anyways, let's check out the bathroom now. Oh, and by the way, here is the evacuation plan, and right there's a little hole. Let's check out the bathroom now. And look at the mirror. Hey, there's the hairdryer. Here you have a sink. Right there are the soaps. And the commode here is an Orion. And there are the 2 buttons. And here we have the shower with a sliding door. Let me see if I can, yeah, or no, just a regular door. Just close it like that. And not sure what kind of fixture this is. And right there's a shower head. And let's test out the shower now. Oh, let me turn it a little bit. All right, there's the shower. And right there are the shampoo and gel. So anyways, what you guys think of this room? You like it? I really like this room. This is my first time staying at the One Hotels. So let's get one last view of this room. So, well everybody, hope you all enjoyed the room tour here at the One Hotels in Guadalajara Expo in Guadalajara, Mexico in room 415. And that is going to be it. Thank you all for watching, and that's it.